Oh, that is really nice.
78 series.
How the hell am I going to get through here?
That's 18.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can't see through the differentials here on the headlights on it.
Oh, you know what it had in it? You know what it had in it at one time? 3408.
Yeah.
The big V8. This truck must have been something else in its day.
They're rarities.
This, it's got the Roadrunner painted on the side.
Yeah.
Boy, I've had old, what is it, Bill and Tom? Owned and operated by Bill and Tom. I bet you they could sure outrun just about everything on the road at that time.
Meep, meep.
Yeah. How to put your seatbelt on. If a guy doesn't know how to put a seatbelt on, what's he doing driving a truck with a 3408 in it? Huh. Yeah. Please be here, please be here. Gone. Of course it is. Oh, that's awesome. No kidding.
Wait, hold up!
Get off my truck, boy! I've driven with deer, antelope, even bears strapped to that bumper. Ain't no 65-pound sack of fly shit like you gonna shake me a hella different.
Still in good shape. Huh, very cool. I can squeeze past here. Oh, it's Cabovers for days. There's a big cab Freightliner. Another white Canada. An old school grill. Digging that bumper. Yeah, rebuilding these guys is not for the faint heart. Whoop. Or the faint wallet.
Yeah, what do you think about that's actually, I think that's 480 or is that a GMC?
Don't know. Yeah, GMC.
Simple dream. And together, hey, your heart starts pumping.
Well, that's a rare bird indeed.
Where tanks on it, right?
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Got a little warm inside though.
Did it now? Oh yeah, I can see it melted.
Fuel tanks like that.
Yeah, it's an aluminum one too.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, I think the CV's toast, literally. Yeah, very cool truck. General Motors Corporation.
What year?
It's even got power windows like an old square body. Yeah, it's probably late 70s, early 80s, I'm guessing. An old pup. Used to haul a pup just like it
Yeah.
back in the day.
Did you drive quite a bit in your day?
I just drove to put myself through college. Miss it terribly. Yeah, it seems they were pretty common. I'm digging this big cab Kenworth though. Randy's.
Randy.
Mr. Leahy.
Randy.
Mr. Leahy.
Randy.
Look, miss, we're gonna...
Randy.
Not much support, two little pieces of strapping. Guess they were trying to save weight. Beautiful big sleeper though.
Oh yeah.
That's the thing. The Duke's only got the smaller cab. Well, I guess that ain't gonna close.
Like a 48-inch sleeper series, the small.
Yeah, the little guys.
Yeah, but the narrow cab.
Yeah. Huh. That's neat. Got a cool international fire truck. Oh, here's some Cabovers. Right against the edge where all the good stuff always seems to be hiding. Ooh, I don't know how good that one is. Pretty pushed in. Years I'll have to chainsaw all these trucks out of here. Well, found some spare parts for your Freightliner, Bruce. Oh, from Chilliwack. Interesting stairs to get in. I bet the driver and passenger slipped and fell off those steps a few times on rainy or snowy mornings. Oh, look at that. We're just finding all kinds of ether injection systems. I actually got one of these. My dad bought me one for my Chevy 6.2 diesel that I had, but it gave a pretty good shot when you hit the solenoid. Got her going though. Sure like the horns on the 379. Oh, it's locked. I wonder if they don't want anyone to peek in this one.
Still looks pretty intact.
Yeah, they must be keeping it whole. I wonder why it's so far in the back here.
That's probably why.
So nobody touches it.
Exactly. When he doesn't want them to touch it, he puts it where they can't take it out.
Yeah, like that new Western Star sitting in the middle of the quarter. A little L7000. Yeah, could be late 70s. The original TransStar.
I don't think it's the 70s because of the door handle. You got a push button door handle, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
The earlier ones had the turnstile.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. I like the old gauges. AM radio. This one's pretty vintage.
You know they shipped a lot of those out and turned them into conventionals, eh?
Really? I love that double brake pedal. That's quite the airfoil, huh?
Yeah.
Well, those lights are in really good shape. Yeah, that's when in the 80s when they started getting all aerodynamic. Ooh, the XL series.
International, designed and built in Australia. A truck made for Australia with the best of European comfort and American power and ruggedness. International, the best-selling big truck in Australia every year for the last 10 years, has a special edge over trucks that aren't born and bred here. Staying power.
Yeah, that's an incredibly long frame.
Yeah.
Got to have a couple drive shafts in it. Yeah, 3 of them. Want to change U-joints on it.
Makes sense for the 50-ton wrecker, right?
Yeah. So there's a 3408 somewhere in the yard. Problem is, it knows what it's worth. Ooh, air conditioner cover. Oh, it's the whole assembly. The red dot. That is good to know. I could use that. Just so many trucks here. Hey, we could buy this and start making meth.
You brought a meth lab to the airport.
What?
Ooh, this W900L. There's just treasure everywhere. Old Chrysler Fifth Avenue. My mom had one of these when I was a kid. Classy. And that was usually gone. Yeah. Nice B. Flat glass. And non-Canadian intakes. Proper. Oh man. Around every corner there's something I could look at. Sure hard to find those white steering wheels in good shape. Thanks again to that fan in Ontario that sent me that mint one. Oh, check out this Mac with the gold Bulldog Mac cab over. That is old. How much safety on those footsteps? All of it. Oh, that's neat. Pulled off with a cowboy hat. Looks like the mice have been having supper on there. Okay, show me where the tank vans are. I'll try not to get so distracted. Holy cow. Look at that, huh? The old button tuft. Just gorgeous. It's amazing it could stay in such good shape after sitting out here.
It got crashed on the Hyundai.
Did it now?
Somebody redid it all, and yeah.
And now she sits here. Wow. It was pretty nice. Sorry, I got distracted. Squirrel. Old TransStar 2 from Entwistle. Vintage CV up there. Yeah, square tanks again. Ooh, that's a pretty rough patch job. You always go on the hunt, but you never buy anything. Well, that's not true. Well, hello, Grover. Hey! Hello, everybody! Now, supposedly, these are the same as the ones used in the movie. And supposedly, they're a different length, is what some folks were saying. And they might be slightly. I mean, I'm a bit on, not really on even ground, but yeah, I guess they might be a ½ inch different. Maybe it gives just a slightly different tone. But yeah, we'll get some SOS pads and and polish those up. And those are gonna look wicked cool on Snowman. Good find. I'm not sure about these though. I mean, I guess I could unbolt them. The bolts are just snapping off, but you can see they're kind of bent up. I think you can get new front mounts pretty easily, but we'll grab them just in case. Ugh. Sitting out here in all these winters. Ugh. Oh, it's breaking. Yeah, just rotten. That's not going to do any good, but at least I can use them to find the right ones to replace it. Okay, let's go pay for my prize. Hey, look at those old tires. Wonder what size they are. Ooh, 1022s. Interesting. Very interesting. Those don't look too bad at all. Well, a little bit of side cracking. There's a tube in there. It's probably safe. What if these are 1022s in the back too? No, 1122s. So a little wider. Oh, those are 10s. Huh. So they're out there, you just gotta find them. Yeah, these are probably just about this. There's another 1022, but it's in about the same shape that mine are in. But these, well, at least I know they're here. I just wanted to take another look at this CL9000 again. One of the fans were asking if the airbags were still on here. Oh, it doesn't look like it's bagged at all. Looks like solid mounts on both sides. Got some kind of coil springs, maybe to relieve it when it comes down. Oh, there are shoes even. Oh, look at the passenger comfort control center.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, these are pretty neat cabovers because I didn't comment in the previous video, but instead of tilting down by the frame rails, they tilt up here, and the grill is actually two pieces and split.
Ford announces the CL9000, a new lightweight cabover designed for new driver comfort in a spacious cab. With optional cab air ride, new operating efficiency, with aerodynamic design to help save fuel, and new ease of servicing to help reduce downtime. Ford CL9000. Compare it with any line hauler on the road today. Ford means business in big trucks.
So the top part of the cab, some people call these two-story Fords because they're up so darn high. But yeah, the top part of the cab, or the top 2/3, tilts forward on these on those hinges on those mounts. Very cool stuff. All right, Mark, stop looking at future projects and get back to working on your own.